Good morning to all. This is G. Karthik from 7th class from Akash Education Institutions. Today I am giving a small speech about our Indian freedom fighter Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was a great freedom fighter and social activist. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. His parents were Karamchand Gandhi and Putlibai. At the age of 13, he was married to Kasturba Gandhi. Gandhiji always taught us as principle of truth and non-violence. It had many movements like non-cooperation and Dandi March, Quit India. It has through his great efforts to India got independence on British rule from 1947. He is also called Father of Nation. His birthday has celebrated Gandhi Jayanti throughout India. Thank you.